Hello everyone, my name is Ann-Catherine Picado, and this lesson we talk about social and economic inequality. Refer to the unequal distributions of resource, opportunities, and power within a society. It is characterized by disparities in income, wealth, education, health, and access the base servants like housing, transportations, and healthcare. These inequalities can be perpetuated by systematic and historical discriminations as well as policies that favor and wealthy and powerful. Inequality is a complete mix issues that affects individual and communities went far touching reaching impact on society as a whole. One of the main issue cause of social and edi- e- economic inequalities is historical and systematic discrimination based on race, gender, sexual, and other factors has created barriers to opportunities for marginalized group perpetuations inequality across generations.